Ford has once again shaken the automotive world with the launch of the redesigned 2025 Ford Mustang GTD. This latest Mustang GTD combines the iconic Mustang heritage with cutting-edge technology and design, creating a truly stunning supercar. Striking exterior design. The 2025 Ford Mustang GTD features aggressive and aerodynamic lines that reflect speed and power. A wider grille and sharp LED headlights give it a futuristic and modern look. Ford has integrated lightweight materials such as carbon fiber to enhance performance and fuel efficiency. Outstanding engine performance. Under the hood, the Mustang GTD is powered by an upgraded 5.2-liter V8 engine, capable of producing over 700 horsepower. This engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that delivers quick and responsive gear shifts. With an acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, the 2025 Mustang GTD ensures a thrilling driving experience. Advanced technology. In addition to its superior design and performance, the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD is equipped with advanced technology. The SYNC4 infotainment system with a 12-inch touchscreen offers seamless connectivity and accurate navigation. Advanced safety features such as automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and adaptive cruise control ensure driver and passenger safety. Luxurious interior. Entering the cabin, you will be greeted by a luxurious and comfortable interior. Alcantara leather-wrapped seats with electric adjustments, along with a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, provide an unmatched driving experience. The ergonomic interior design ensures every control is within easy reach, creating a driver-focused environment. Conclusion. The redesigned 2025 Ford Mustang GTD represents the pinnacle of Ford's innovation and dedication to creating a sports car that is not only fast and powerful but also beautiful and sophisticated. With a blend of high performance, cutting-edge technology, and stunning design, the 2025 Mustang GTD is set to become a new icon in the automotive world.